Hey now, Mike Shamon here, and today I'm going to show you how to do a full width hero section and stylize it up a little bit. So let's just go to full width. I just create a new page, nothing special. I just went to full width header. Let's do this, and let's go here like awesome headline. Alright, and then subscribe now. Hey, by the way, subscribe. Go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you like my videos. I keep coming out with videos and keep telling people to subscribe, and I forget about it. So go ahead and subscribe if you like my videos. And if you're getting value out of them, please. Alright. And then let's just do that. So that created two buttons there, and now we got a headline. And now what we can go is design and layout, and we'll go to center. And we'll go make full screen, so now it pops up full screen. Let's go hop back over to the content section, go to background. What we'll do is we'll go to image, and we'll upload a cool image background. Okay, go to upload image. And what we're going to do now is just go to overlay. Okay, so we'll go down here to image and go to background image blend and go to overlay. And what that does is that selects the paint color here and overlays it on our image. So we're just going to trash this color. We're just going to pick a color we want. I usually like to go to black. Now what you do is if you select the color and it's completely black, don't freak out. What you want to do is you want to click this color again. You just go right over here to this bar and you want to lower down the opacity. Okay, so you can pick whatever color you want. Okay, and then you just need to lower down the opacity. Alright, and black looks good with the text there, so I just do black. And if I go to design and I go back to my text, I make this a bold. So if I go to design and text, I make this a bold text line right here. A little bit of a drop shadow. It'll look pretty nice. Alright, and then same thing for the buttons. You can stylize the buttons any way you want. Alright. Just go to settings, design, and let's see here. Right here, settings. Go to design and button 1. If you want to use a custom style. Alright, and then you can just stylize the buttons to whatever you want. Alrighty, that looks pretty cool. Now what we're going to do is I'm just going to take the same thing and go to this button style here. So I'm going to go to copy button 1 styles, go over to button 2 and go to paste button 2 styles. There you go. Alright. So that's how you do a cool little hero section there. Now if you go to mobile, you can just see what it looks like there. If you want to do anything for mobile, you can do that there. Just go to design, and if you see the buttons, I don't like those little icons there, so I'm just going to go back to the settings here and go design and button 1, and I'm just going to take off the icon. Nope. Check. Okay, and then button 2. Let me go back to button 2. Just take off the icon. Alright. So that's how you do a full width hero section there and stylize it up a little bit. If you want to change the overlay, one of the cool things, you can do different things with the background images. Alright, if you want to do a video, you can do the video as well. But you can, depending on your background size, you can you know, make it fit or not fit. But you can mess with the overlays, and they can do different things. If you have different colors there, and you can choose the different blend modes. you know, and a lot of it's going to depend on what colors you're using for your website. So mess around with it and have a little bit of fun and see what you can come up with. Some of the best things are made by accident. Alright, so that's how you do a full width hero section like that. Now say you wanted to add an email opt-in to this, you're not going to be able to add it like this. See how this is? You're not going to be able to add it to the full width header section there. Regular section, row. You want to add in your text, whatever text you want. Well, you can just go to your email opt-in actually and add in the text there. Okay. Right, and if you just go design and layout and body on form on top, and then if you go to text or design and text and the layout, you want in the middle. All right, and then you can just take your styles from here. Go design and text or button. Copy button one styles. Go back over here and then go to the advanced tab, design, use custom style, and then just go to paste button styles, paste button one styles. There we go. And let's go to content and background. We get rid of that background there and go to design and border. We'll just do the border width. Check. We go to the email opt-in and go design and fields and border. Fields border. The fields border. There you go. Alright, and if you go back to text and go to color and you go dark. But actually we want it to be light. You want it to be light because what we're going to do is go to this and go to design and or layout and background image. Add in our image. Alright, do our overlay. Let's go back to the paint here and go to this. Alright, now if you want to size this down a little bit, you just go to this row, design and sizing. And we make sure it's in the center, 1920. And you want to, how is it, 1920. Okay, make sure that's there. And you control the sizing there. But that's how you do it with an email opt-in box there. Alright, so if you want the hero section like that. Now if you wanted to make this more spacing here, you can just do it by going to settings here and go to design and spacing. And then you can make the spacing whatever you want. Alright, maybe it's 10%. Alright, and that'll give you more spacing for that full width look and feel. Alright, so that's how you do a full width hero section and email opt-in section there if you want that to be on your home page. I hope you guys got some value out of this. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you want to get 5 for your landing page, just go to diviplanet.com and I'll see you in my next video.